Hello all, my name's Liz Price. I'm your new assistant head teacher in charge of teaching and learning. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to self-quiz using a knowledge organiser. So firstly, ensure that you've got all your equipment you need ready before you start. That's the relevant knowledge organiser, your self-quizzing book, 2 pens, your blue or black pen and your green one, a ruler and something to cover your knowledge organiser with. I've just got an envelope here. In your self-quizzing book, start a new page and write the date and the subject. And underline both of these. Decide how many facts or pieces of information you're going to focus on. If your teacher has asked you to self-quiz on a section you've studied in lessons, you'll be able to read over, cover and check all of it. If you are less secure on the facts or pieces of information, you may wish to focus on a couple or a few or just one. In my example, we have studied the section that I've been asked to learn, this one. So the first step is to spend 2 to 3 minutes reading the facts or information. Try to memorise the content by saying it back to yourself in your head or out loud if you're at home and would like to. Now, when you've done that, use something to cover up the area of your knowledge organiser, my envelope. And in your self-quizzing book, write the number. There weren't numbers here, but there are 5 different points. So I'm going to start with number 1. And the first fact or piece of information from the section of the knowledge organiser, or the one you've chosen to do. Okay. Now uncover your knowledge organiser and check every word, including spellings. Okay, I've made no errors here, so I'm going to tick it with my green pen. If you're self-quizzing on a whole section, like I am, or a few, move to the second line, so no whole lines are left empty, and then write out the second fact or piece of information that you've tried to memorise. Okay. Okay, now uncover the second row of your knowledge organiser and check every word, including spelling again. So I've missed out for the production of, and so I'll add that correction with my green pen. So allowing for the production of more food, and more food, for example, at the seed drill. Okay, and I've also spelt seed incorrectly. So I'm going to put a line through it, and at the end of the line, I'm going to write the correct spelling. Now repeat this process for the remaining rows that you've been asked to study or that you've chosen to focus on. Once you've done a full set of self-quizzing on the section, underline your work and repeat the process. So look over your errors in information and spelling if you have them. Read to yourself, cover, and write each one out again as we did before, checking and correcting as you go. Repeat the process until you are able to write out all the facts and information correctly, making no errors. And we recommend at least 30 minutes in order to achieve this. Well, I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for listening and good luck with your self-quizzing.